Hey there guys, I'm back with another video, and here's one of the twins, Hampton Bay polished brass finish, I believe. And originally the light kit was separate. I got the light kit separate. Well, the person who gave me all these fans in the first place, light kit was not attached to any of these, but I knew this light kit was compatible with one of these motors. They're actually both. It's actually compatible to obviously both, so yeah, I decided to attach it, and it attached pretty well. So yeah, I don't have any blades for it right now, but I'm gonna just show you the motor. I have a screw there just so you can get a good idea of the RPM. I don't know how well this camera is about catching RPM, but maybe you guys can tell. I don't know. So first of all, here's the light. Really nice. I'm pretty sure all the sockets work. The only socket that I tested was this one, and probably another one. That one works. Oh, we do have a blown out socket. Alright guys, so I found my first blown out socket. That is going to be possibly an easy fix. I do have some closet lights with sockets on them, so maybe I can steal sockets from the closet lights. Is it just half the circuit, or is it just okay, it's just that one socket. That one socket is blown up, or blown out. Alrighty then, so I've found my first encounter on this light kit. So only one socket's busted on this one. I'll grab a socket from my closet lights. Oh well, easy fix. I've replaced a socket before on a light kit, which is what you guys saw in a previous video over at my friend's house. I replaced the socket of the first Incon that I showed you. So yeah, this socket over here is blown out, so I'll have to look at the electronics to see if the wires popped loose or something. But right now, let's just do the fan. There's low. Already you can't even see that screw. Or almost can't even see it. There's this, it's hard to tell. Let me... There. I bet you can get a good RPM reading from that. Now you may think that hurts, but it doesn't really hurt. It just hurts on impact, but it doesn't hurt after. It just feels tingly after. Here you go. Medium. This may hurt a little bit more, but okay. Slightly faster. High. I don't know how good of a reading that's giving you, but okay. Let's go to reverse. I will eventually get blades for it from a Habitat restore somewhere. This is just testing a motor. This is going to be a boring video of it. I at least put the light shades on it. I wouldn't have put the light shades on it. I mean, just wanted to put the light shades on it just to add a little bit of a good look to it for now, since it has no blades. And there's off. It's just going to spin down. I'm going to show you spin down without blades. Why not? Watch that screw slowly start appearing. There it is, right there. You can see it. It's going to spin for quite a while. So it turns out I do have a blown out socket on this thing. So yeah, that'd be an easy fix actually. I'll show the other twin. The other twin does work. I'll show you the other twin. Probably sometime in the future. Alright. Now let me give you a good startup. Then I'm going to reverse it and show you how fast it reverses on high, full blast. Do it again. Alright, so I have a metal Hampton Bay pool that matches it. And I have the Aloha Breeze. Aloha Breeze, is that how you call it? One of the pools from that. A little bit of an update on the Aloha Breeze. Unfortunately, the capacitor failed on me, so it's got a failed capacitor. It may be a pretty big fan, but that thing's got a very small capacitor. Like the capacitor's like that wide, maybe this tall. Capacitor's tiny, and it even looks like a big fan, but it's a tiny capacitor. I don't know why it's so tiny, but it's just tiny. But anyways, guys, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. Hey there, guys. Here's another video, and I'm testing the other. This is probably gonna be a part 2 video, actually. I put this in. I'm gonna put this in my new editing app that I like and make it one video, because testing 2 of the same motors, it's pretty much no point putting them in their own videos. It's kind of a waste of time, actually. And what's the point of uploading them single videos, because the videos are gonna be small. So anyways, I've got another screw in there. This is the other twin. Obviously the pull chain's broken. It's not able to fit in that circle anymore, that circle thing. I'm gonna have to get a new pull chain. I do have another pull switch. I just don't want to replace it yet until I even get blades for it. So there's the logo right there, and I have not thought about it in all my other testing videos. But if you guys are wondering where I put the Hampton Bay gazebo whenever I take it down to do these kind of videos, to test them, I just take out the light bulbs and take off the pull chains and set it all the way over there. It just likes to sit there, rest. It sits there pretty well, actually. Just this nice platform. There's my dad's grill, everything. So yeah. So this is the other twin. Let's start up. Let me warn you guys, this thing's got very loud bearing noise. Extremely loud. Switch housing is a little bent. Oh well, I'm not going to put a light kit on it anytime soon. By the way, here's the other twin. I'm not going to bother putting the light kit on this one. Light kit looks pretty good on one of these twins, so here we go. You kind of get an RPM rating there. Why am I even doing that? That's slowing the RPM down. Alright. These things have got a very big capacitor. And the Aloha Breeze, if I'm saying it right, the Aloha Breeze has a smaller capacitor, which is weird. There it is on medium. This thing is loud with its bearings. I mean, the motor is kind of off balance too, because it's wobbling a little bit just by the motor. There's high. But like I said, guys, I'm using... Oh, it's squeaking now. Spin down. Then I'm going to do reverse like I did the other one, which is, it's no point, but I'll still do it just for video. Let me redo that. There we go. There we go. Off to a bad start there. Got it running again. It's squeaking more in that direction. It did not like being reversed for sure. It was even slower. Alright, I'm going to start it up on high. Show you guys how fast it goes on reverse. One more. Alright, well, I'm not going to bother putting a light kit on it because this thing needs work as it is. So, anyways guys, thanks for watching. And as always, subscribe and everything. See you guys in the next video.